here we go. Daddy got some free samples of this stuff.
So we got fullbore.
Fullbore.
This is hand scrub ultra flow.
Okay.
This is fullbore extreme green. And this is fullbore super grip.
Gotcha.
So these are free samples. So I just changed the oil in my truck.
There you go.
Okay. So my hands are actually rather slick. So I'm gonna try this product. I'm gonna film it as I wash my hands so there's no cut feed, and we'll see how well it works.
Sounds like fun.
So it's kind of got a pumice stone feel to it, like it's exfoliating your hand. So it gets the oil off. Do a little more.
A little dirt left there.
So basically it looks like Slimer got a hold of me. But it's working. My hands don't feel as slick as they did before.
Ooh, shiny.
So all the oil is off my hands. Besides that, because I suck at washing my hands. But I got all the oil off, and it smells like a friend of the family that used to work on vehicles all the time. So I say this stuff works. Thanks, fullbore.